Hello everyone, welcome to the Power BI course. Today we are going to learn one more visual in Power BI, which is waterfall chart. So remember that visualization is the key to deliver information clearly and effectively to your consumers, and so choice of the visual is critical. Having said that, let's learn here how to create a waterfall chart and what is waterfall chart. So the waterfall chart is, it shows like waterfall, so it shows values in a step-by-step manner by categories or by time. So how this works is like, in this case I have my sales variation compared to the last year, and that I plotted on the waterfall chart, and I can see the steps in two colors, in this case red and green colors. The green is showing that my sales were increased compared to the last year, and the red bar shows my sales decrease compared to the last year. So as I mentioned that it represents the changes for a value across the time or different categories. It also allows you to audit the major changes and possible contributor to the change. So let's get started. I'm going to open up Power BI, and I have a data model here, and in my data model I have 5 tables where I'm going to use a sales table and my month from the time table. So let me choose the waterfall visual from my visualization panel, and we have now the visual on page, and let me get my variance. So let me show you. So this is total sales variance, and as you can see in the formula bar, I created from total sales this year minus total sales last year. So it's a variation in sales compared to the from this year to last year. So that is our sales variance, and let me choose my fiscal month to plot it data monthly. Let me choose again the total variance. So that is in my x-axis. The other fields we have is like breakdown and tooltip. Tooltip you know already, but the breakdown we will use in a moment. So let's first format the chart so you can see the values on the chart. So we start from the title, and on the title, my title, okay, I don't want it to change it. I wanted to increase the fonts on that. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You can change the color of the fonts on title, and you can change background as well, and you can align that on the visual as well. Let's look at the subtitle. I'm going to turn it on, and my subtitle it says that by fiscal month. You can change that if you want, and again you can format as per your preference. For me, I don't want, and so I'm going to turn it off. The divider, then, if you turn it off, it is this line. So if you turn off, you won't see it. Turn on, then you can see it, and you can format it. You can increase the width as well. So that's that. Then the fourth thing is spacing. So it's going to increase the spacing around the title, and if you want, you can do that. For me, it's okay. Then on the x-axis, I certainly wanted to increase my font size so we can see it. Now they are visible, and I can make bold as well, but for me it's okay. And that's it. You can do the other stuff as well here. The title I don't want, but you can turn it on. You can see the fiscal month there, but we already know by the month there, so we don't need it. The layout, the maximum category width, if you can increase, then see that it expanded, so we don't want that. And that is on the x-axis. The similar things you can do on the y-axis as well. I am just interested in my values. Increase the font size so it's visible. You can change the unit here, the range here, minimum and maximum, and values formatting as well, like other factors. You can do here the display unit. Let's see, currently it's in millions, so if I put it in billions, then it shows like that. The millions looks okay. So that, then the title of the y-axis itself, we don't want that because it's already mentioned in the title. And you can format title as well with other things. Then the legends we already have on, and we can increase the text. So it's tiny text there, but if you increase the text, it's showing up bigger. The position you can change on the visual. Bottom center if you want, you can put it. The title is off. You can turn it on, and you can, title text is auto. If you want, you can change it. I don't see any point in it, so just leave it there. And the grid lines, horizontally it's on. I don't want it though, so you can turn it on or off, and you can format that as well. For me, I'm fine with that. The grid lines, the columns, then you can change the color itself, but for me it's working, so it's fine. Column spacing you can change, it's fine though. The data labels I would like to turn on. So now I have data labels, but I wanted to increase the size of it so we can see it. So now it's visible. The background you can change if you want. For me it's okay. You can make it transparent as well. The plot area background, you can browse the image here and all that you can do. The reference line you can add if you want. For me it's okay. So otherwise you can add the line here, and you can choose the line type, like constant line, or like here you can see, or things like that you can do. So for me, I'm going to remove it. I don't need it. And this is all about formatting. Now it's look visible and nice. So let's learn how waterfall chart works. So as I said that it shows compared to the last year's sales, it shows that if its last year's sales was high, then it's going to show in a red bar, because our formula is this year's sales minus same month last year's sales. So because here we are talking in terms of months. So last year January was more like sales compared to this year, so it shows in red bar. And the green bar is you have a sales increase this year, and that's why it shows green. Now let's say I wanted to analyze what happened here in April and July, because those bars are bigger. So what we need to do, you can click on this visual pane, and you can add the breakdown. So but before that, you need to choose the months from here, from the filters. So our month is here, and that's why it shows on the filter. Now let's click on this arrow and choose the month. So I said that I wanted to choose like April and June, July, right? June or July. June and July. Let's say not June, because June is already in green, so July. So these two I wanted to analyze that what happened here. And now we are going to, so now it shows only those 2 months on the visual, and I'm going to add something from the table, that what it can be. So If I doubt on a chain, so let's put it on chain, let's add a chain on this. And if you can see something that we can see, so just I'm going to remove it. Let's add something else. So from the item, I'm going to add the category here. Okay, so now we can see the drop here. It shows lower sales, but shows me the 2 increase in a kids and home, where the other item shows the lower. So other, you need to figure it out what is in other bucket in a category, and then you can find out the reason. Then the men's section category and the junior, those two are main contributor for the decrease from category. If you doubt on something else as well, you can remove this and add something else as well. For example, if you think that, let's see the district or anything. So like in district, you can see that this is this FD-02. That is the bigger reason for they have a bigger drop in a sales compared to other district. So this way you can analyze further your data, that what happened in which section, and you can provide more information. So guys, this is all about the waterfall chart, how to use them, where to use them. So you use where you wanted to find out the increase or decrease. There you use the waterfall chart, and at the end it shows the current status, and how to analyze data further using a waterfall chart. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.